This is how we made The Sound of Violet, day 16. Nicole, can you get Megan to bring over some of her clothes? We just need to put them
Nicole to Megan.
Action!
I was just close to getting another girl in this room until I got your text.
Michael Bell. I play Anton. Playing a pimp.
This is not just a movie plot. This is happening. There's an Anton out there right now doing this to somebody.
The man is high right now. You know what? I think you might need a little taste of something. Whatever you want. Need a little pick-me-up? You want something stronger? More? Done.
Cut.